Today, I'll be showing you a guide on how to track changes on Google Docs. Open up your Google Docs interface containing the document you want to track its changes. Now, click on the File tab at the top of the screen and select Version History. The submenu that appears, select See Version History. Now, this page will appear. As you can see, these are versions of changes you've made in this document. Click this arrow here to expand detailed versions that you've made today. So these are versions I've made today, that changes I've made today. Now, as you can see, all the changes made in the previous versions have been tracked along with its time track also. So you can also click the button here to name this version or to make a copy of the version. So guys, that is how you track changes in Google Docs. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more. See you next time.